think they are. And ndio maana even one of the things utapata mtu backslide, ama mtu mwenye alikuwa anajuanga Mungu then akamuacha. Unakujanga kugundua okay, one thing I'll tell you for sure is, you see the way you knew God some time back. When you come back to God, you will know him differently. That's what I want to tell you. Because his mercies are new every day, and his grace is always sufficient. And you will never figure out God. Like, you can't even figure out the extremes of his goodness. Ushipata God has been really good to you in one season of your life. Mpaka unaona God, you've been good. Then you go to another season, then he is better. Unashanga, then you go to another season, ni mbaya. You find sasa God, yani Mungu sasa ameachilia his wrath on you. And this is now the thing where you can't really figure out God. And you know, this man is trying to like figure out God. But now you'll come to see, because Job atawajibu, it's a whole it's like this whole book inakuwa kama conversations za watu. And I always look at it like conversations of spiritual leaders. That's why hata ndio maana unaona I have really taken up this time to go through the whole of this book, because in this book we will learn some truths. In this book we will learn kwanza the most important part of this book ni part ya this man was righteous. Because hii ndio two base point ya everything. You cannot go to heaven, you cannot see God if you are wicked. Ndio maana hata even I was reading, hata jana I was reading the book of Revelation at some point. Nikaona mpaka kuna second death bwana. Ati mpaka at some point sijui there will be people when they will lead with Christ for 1,000 years. Shetani atakuwa amefungiwa hell. Sijui ati death and Hades. Ati then after 1,000 years and tukutakuja, then there will be the second death. It's now where they will be thrown into the lake of fire. Na kusema ukweli, unajua kitu, the God Lord owes you nothing. Unajua Mungu si ati akona anakuoa ati eternity. He only wants, kwa sababu hata nilikuja kuona hiyo New Jerusalem hiyo ya Jesus. Yani itakuwa only pure, vitu tu mzuri ndio zitaingia huko. Kama wickedness, iniquity, mpaka at some point tunaona ati the cowardly, the unbelieving, the ones who are sexually immoral, the murderers, hao wataenda hell, the lake of fire. It is described as a lake of fire. Then sasa the pure wataingia eternity. Yani kitu ni mbaya wasee, hata nimeshtuka. Mimi sasa nimeona hii kitu is not even what you think it is. Because imagine 1,000 years, so a whole century. Ndio I was trying to figure out your 1,000 years. Na kuna mtu atakuwa amekufa hiyo 1,000 years. Mazee, watu tukue serious na maneno ya Mungu bwana. Hata mimi nimeshtuka. Hata not like I'm telling you ati kwa sababu mimi ni mzuri, hata mimi ni kabaya.